So we have followed all 3 steps. Now we are going to validate whether Java, which will machine install application server, installed in database server. We need to be sure. Yeah, you can do it. We need to be sure whatever we have installed, it's working fine. Let's do the validation. Okay. Come on. So open the command prompt from here. You can check Java. Java space. Okay. Java has been installed. No issue. So now type Java C Java compiler. Compiler is working or not. Let's check that one as well. Yeah, no space. You just know without space, yeah. It was Java C. Yeah. It will throw some error. So Java is not recognized as an internal or external source. So there is some error? Is that we need to fix because we didn't provide any part? We have to add the part. Okay. So the same for MySQL, how you're going to take any idea. So from command we're going to use exactly like MySQL. Again, it will throw some error. Okay. So it's not recognized. So for MySQL also, we need to add some part. So 2 things we have validated. Yeah, can you minimize this? So any idea how we are going to check the Apache Tomcat? Yeah. Let me minimize one. Open a new tab. Okay, if you're able to see the screen like this, you have successfully installed Tomcat. Congratulations. Yeah, okay. So we have installed Apache Tomcat, perfectly just. We are going to make some changes on the part. We are going to update the part, Java JDK part and MySQL part. So if you're a fresher, if you're doing, but it will be preferred to a notepad file, and we will save all the parts. Let me type. That make it part. Go to C, try have installed Java. Go to Program Files. Java. You have JDK. You need open one JDK, go to bin folder, copy the entire part. Yeah, because we are going to update 2-3 times. That is the reason I have open Notepad, and I'm going to make a note. The last one. Yeah. The same. I'm going to do it for Jerry. Jerry folder. Okay. I need to do the same for SQL, MySQL. So we have installed server and workbench as well. Let's open server. Go to bin. We need to copy this part. Okay. 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 Click on the start. Go to system variable. You can do that, or else just click on. Okay. Right-click this piece. Right-click. Go to Properties. OK. So from here you can access the system variable. So instead of we'll do one thing, just click on the Start one, the type, environment variable. Environment variable. So it will come. OK. So now, when I won't be able to edit from here, just click on the environment variable. OK. OK, so this is how it's going to be look like the first column. First box is user variable. The second box is system variable. We need to update, we need to provide all the parts in the system, variable 1. OK. So if you forgot to add one part, even though it won't allow you to access the endpoint, you should be more careful. I mean, you should not forget anything. So just click on the system variable. No, that's user variable. Yeah. Also already have added in this. Can you remove those things? The Java home. The ID home from the user variable. OK. Let it, we will remove data. No issue. So go to the system variable. Click on the new we are going to add. We are going to provide the part. Click on new. Yeah. So here you have to type Java_home. OK. And variable value, you can provide the JDK path with bin older. OK. Yeah, JDK. This one, yeah. First part. Without space. Click. OK. So first you have added no click on the part. So yeah, the third, fourth, 8 to 181. Come down. No, come down a path. Is there right? After the ways. Online service. Yeah, just select the path, click on edit. From here also, you have to add the path. Click on new and Control B. Yeah, so you have added JDK path here. Click OK. That's it. So now you have added the JDK one. Now you need to add GRE. So click on New. So type GRE_home. GRE_home. You can provide the GRE min path. Click OK. Yeah, just click on the path. Yeah, edit. Here also, you have to add one more time. Click New and Add. OK, the same, you are going to do it for MySQL. Click OK. OK. So again, in the system variable, click on new MySQL_home variable name. MySQL_home. You can provide a variable value MySQL server bin.